Now we are going to see the instruction INR register. So for this instruction, the first portion is INR, that is considered as opcode. The remaining portion is register. In this instruction, no data is present. It means it is 1 byte instruction. Now let's see the meaning of the instruction. INR register. INR register means increment content of register by 1. Increment content of register by 1. So let's see one example. Suppose the example is INR C, and before the execution the content of register C is 32H, and we are executing the instruction INR C. What is the meaning of instruction? Increment content of register C by 1. So before execution the content of C is 32H. After the execution the content of C will be 33H. Now let's see machine cycle. This instruction is of 1 byte. So when we give this instruction to the memory, it will occupy only one memory location. So let's store this instruction in the memory INR C. When instructions are stored, the processor will start its task, that is to fetch, decode and execute. The first machine cycle that microprocessor will perform, it is opcode fetch. When processor performs the opcode fetch, this instruction will be transferred to the microprocessor. Then processor will decode the instruction and it will execute. During the execution, what is happening? During the execution, the content of C is incremented and result is stored in the register itself. So what I am trying to say is, during the execution, no interaction with memory is done. So only one machine cycle is required, that is opcode fetch. Now let's discuss flag. For this instruction, all flags will be affected apart from only one flag, that is carry flag. Now let's see the next instruction, that is INR M. The first part of the instruction is INR, which is also known as opcode. The remaining part of the instruction is M, that is known as operand. In this instruction, no data is present. It means this instruction is of only 1 byte. You can see no data in the instruction. Now let's see the meaning of the instruction. INR M. INR M means increment the content of memory location by 1. Increment the content of memory location by 1 and answer will be stored in the same memory location. Now let's see one example, that is INR M. Before the execution the content of HL pair is 4000H. Now what is the meaning of INR M? It means increment the content of memory location by 1 and result will be stored in the memory location. But the question is which memory location? So whenever in the instruction M is specified, it means memory location specified in HL pair. So in HL pair, the 4000H memory location is specified. In the 4000H, which data is present? 32H. So when this instruction is executed, the 32H will be incremented. When this instruction is executed, the 32H will be incremented, and after incremented, it will be stored in the same memory location. Let's see the whole process of the instruction. This instruction is of 1 byte. So when we give this instruction in the memory, it will occupy only one memory location, that is INR M. After this instruction is stored in the memory, the processor will start doing its work, that is to fetch, decode and execute. To fetch the instruction, the processor will perform the first machine cycle, that is opcode fetch. When opcode fetch is performed, this whole instruction will be transferred to the microprocessor. Then processor will decode that instruction and it will execute. Now during the execution, what is happening? During the execution, the content of memory location will be incremented by 1. Now processor cannot directly increment the content of memory location. If processor wants to increment the data which is present in the memory location, processor first has to read that data. So to increment, the microprocessor will first read that data by performing the memory read. So when microprocessor performs the memory read, this 32H will be transferred to the microprocessor. After that, the microprocessor will increment this number by 1, so it will become 33H. After the number is incremented, the processor will transfer the data to the same memory location. So the microprocessor will perform memory write. So when microprocessor will perform the memory write, the content of memory location will be changed to 33H. So this is how this instruction is executed. Now, what will be the content of HL pair after the execution? After the execution, the content of HL pair will remain unchanged, that is 4000H. And how many machine cycles are required? Opcode fetch plus memory read plus memory write. And for the increment instruction, all the flags will be affected apart from only one flag, that is carry flag.